Hi, welcome to our quick start guide to Node.js. This course is perfect for beginners to get started and start coding Node. Explore how you can get started with Node.js, learn how to apply Node and create mini applications with Node code. Getting started with Node.js, this course is a fast-paced course designed to quickly show you the basics of Node and how you can write code. JavaScript is an absolute prerequisite to this course. You must have JavaScript experience to take this course. Course covers and provides source code and a handy PDF guide loaded with source code and resources to help you follow along the lessons. Learn how to set up your develop environment, install and get set up and ready to code Node.js. Course covers all the basics on coding Node.js. Explore how modules work, default modules already included in Node, how you can use those, set up a local web server, load files, create files, and read files from your computer, all using Node. Output HTML files directly in your browser, set up the localhost, and have it running on your own machine in minutes. Learn about creating modules and using them within your code. You'll be amazed at how easy it can be and all the really awesome things that you can do with Node with just a few lines of code. There's hundreds of thousands of pre-built Node modules that you can utilize within your own code. Using Node Package Manager and loading those packages saves you a lot of time with coding, and then you can use them within your Node applications. This course is taught by an instructor with many years of real-world web development experience, ready to help you learn more about Node. What are you waiting for? You've got nothing to lose. Join now and start coding Node today. The Quick Start Guide for Node for Beginners is here for you.